You can create an info label inside your tour at any time. To do this, please follow these steps. Log into your EyeSpy360 account and click on your chosen tour. Double-click on one of your donut-shaped images to enter 360 view. Click the blue Add Info button at the bottom of your screen to create a new information label. Your info label will appear inside your tour alongside the info label toolbar. You can now add your content directly into your information label. This can include text, images, videos, Google Maps, and Google Street View. If you wish, you can also customize your info label's icon from inside the info label toolbar as well. Click Save to save your content to your label. Drag your information label icon to the desired position in your tour. To update your tour, you will need to republish. To do this, double-click on the donut-shaped image you wish your tour to start on. This will open 360 view. Position your screen in your desired starting view and click the blue Publish button. This will republish your tour and update it with your changes.